Well, let's bring this down here. So in Streamlabs Desktop Ultra, what's really nice about this program as well is it natively saves your recordings to your machine, which is super helpful for two reasons. One, if you want to edit in their video editor in the cloud-based platform, which is highly effective, and I do recommend, do that. Now, having it natively record to your machine is an advantage because you're not losing any compression or any quality. But I'm going to click on this one I just recorded, and it is in the cloud. So I'm just going to rename it. I'll go, sorry, it's not in the cloud, it's on my machine. I'll go Streamlabs Desktop Ultra settings intro. Just renaming it real quick, nothing crazy. I mean, this is something you guys will do every day anyway. Okay, so let me get this screen back out of the way and I'll show you where we're going with it. All right, so if you have your recording saved natively to your machine and you want to use Podcast Editor, where are we going to go? Good question. So let's go to streamlabs.com/dashboard. And what we are going to do there is we're going to get logged into Podcast Editor. When you're doing this, make sure you close all the windows that are unnecessary. I know there's some tab hoarders out there that like to keep a million windows open. If you want to have a bad live stream, make sure you keep 10,000 windows open so your computer has to keep them all open, okay? But to make this effective quickly, all we're going to do is we are going to go new project here. And what's nice about this is they have just drop it like it's hot. So I'm going to go grab that recording off my computer. I'm just going to drag it in here and drop it like it's hot. Awesome feature of this as well, you're going to get your subtitles. I usually use this one because it sticks out against any background regardless what you're doing. White background, black letters, easy to read. You can translate it, although I haven't done that yet. Now, what I do every time just to kind of make this efficient is I do the auto editing. I'm going to remove pauses and filler words. That way, it's going to take out all those blank spaces. I'm going to have a decently edited video where I don't have to go back and do it again. I don't have the time to edit. I'm not going to. If I can't do it live, if I can't do it in one shot, I shouldn't be doing it anyway. The reason I say that is I work with a ton of AI, and I believe going forward, just based off some of the followers or some of the leaders, I guess, that I've followed in AI, tend to do a lot of their work live. Whether it's walking around with just their phone or a live stream on a computer. And that's important because you need to know who's doing it. Anybody can go out there, watch sections of YouTube videos, record the same thing and post it. But if it's going to be authentic, if it's going to be real, if it's going to be you doing it, if you want to establish credibility, you're going to have to do it live going forward. That's just the way of the world with the rise of AI. So in order to do that efficiently, let's use an auto editor. Okay, make sure those are selected. We're going to say continue editing in editor. Now, because I don't like tabs, I close everything. I want to make sure I don't close this. So all I'm going to do is minimize it. And by doing that and letting it do its thing, I'm going to have a fairly decently edited video based on my live stream. It's a great way to create your content way more efficiently. You can post every platform. You don't need anything else. So if you're looking to grow your business by creating digital media, do it live, stream it, use the tools available, and be more efficient. Stick around for the next one, and I hope this helped you guys out. And don't worry if you pick your nose on live stream. Things happen. Just keep rolling.